Everyone wants the digital nomad life, freedom, beaches, and flexible hours. But the truth? It's not about luck. It's about design. Financial, professional, and personal. Today, I'll show you exactly how to afford the digital nomad lifestyle in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. I'm the Travel Fixer, and in this video, we'll break down how to make remote work actually work. Not through vague dreams, but through real strategies. From earning income on the go, to budgeting smarter, and building a life that funds your freedom. Let's start with the income. You don't need to be a millionaire to live freely. You just need consistent remote income. In 2025, there are 3 main paths to making money on the move. First, remote jobs. Platforms like We Work Remotely, Remotive, and FlexJobs list positions across design, writing, marketing, and tech. You're still salaried, just not chained to an office. Second, freelancing. Start small. Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTool can lead to stable clients once you build trust. You're trading your skills for freedom, not time for a boss. And third, create assets. Think online courses, content, digital products, or affiliate blogs. Passive income grows slower, but it's the foundation for long-term travel. Now let's fix the money flow. Every nomad should know their monthly burn rate, what you spend to survive and thrive abroad. Here's the fixer formula: housing plus food plus workspace plus fun. If you're earning $2,000 to $2,500 per month, you can live comfortably in most digital nomad hubs, Valencia, Porto, Tbilisi, Bali, or Chiang Mai. Use tools like Trail Wallet, Wise, or Revolut to track and pay seamlessly in multiple currencies. Now let's talk fixer finance. Nomads don't just save money, they move it smartly. Use a no-fee international card like Wise or Revolut. Open a digital business account like Payoneer or N26 to receive client payments worldwide. And always keep an emergency fund. 3 months of expenses minimum, because paradise has bad days too. And remember, the fewer bank apps you juggle, the better. Simplicity equals security. You can't buy freedom if you're carrying everything you own. Pack light, not just your clothes but your expectations. Nomads who last don't chase luxury, they chase longevity. They build routines, eat simply, and spend on experiences, not upgrades. Minimalism isn't deprivation. It's mobility, and that's priceless. The hardest part of being a digital nomad isn't money, it's loneliness. Build your tribe wherever you go. Join co-working spaces, Facebook groups, and local language classes. In Porto, it's Remote Portugal. In Bali, it's Outpost. In Tbilisi, it's Impact Hub. You'll find people chasing the same balance you are. Work, wander, repeat. So there it is, the fixer's blueprint for affording the digital nomad life in 2025. You don't need more money. You need better systems, and the courage to start. If this helped you design your dream lifestyle, hit that like button, and share it with someone still stuck behind their screen. And if you're ready to start your journey, grab my free packing checklist, or let me build your custom nomad plan. For more fixer guides, check out my video on the top 5 digital nomad cities for 2025, or my Smart Travel Hacks playlist to start building your setup today. I'm the Travel Fixer, helping you pack smarter, travel smoother, and live freely wherever the Wi-Fi takes you. See you in the next hidden corner of the world.